Welcome back everybody to Heather's East Kitchen. On today's video, we are going to be making a delicious chicken breast in the air fryer. And if you're new here, welcome, and make sure you subscribe and like this video to support my channel. And to all my return subscribers, thank you guys so much for your continued support. And those other ingredients on the table, guys, that's going to be used for the remainder of the chicken breast that we're going to be using for our next video. So make sure you check out the next video after this one, guys. All right, everyone, so we're going to start off by seasoning our chicken breast, and I'm using some kosher salt to start off with. All right, now you're going to get your pepper, and you want to season your chicken with the pepper seasoning now. Now I'm going to add a little bit of garlic onto my chicken. And last but not least, now I'm going to add my Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning on here. All right, now once you get your chicken seasoned, you're going to go ahead and brush a light little coat of olive oil on the top, and we're going to do that on both sides. All right, now it's time to do this other side, guys. So just follow the steps exactly as you did on the other side. Seasoning first and then brushing it with a light coat of olive oil. All right, so now that our chicken breasts are all seasoned, we're going to go ahead and put it in the air fryer. I got some foil on the bottom of my air fryer, guys. I do this because it's easier to clean up after everything's done. All right, guys, so we're going to be cooking this on 370 in 15-minute intervals. So this is going to be the first 15 minutes that we're going to put it on. So we're about halfway through, and I wanted to check it. So this is how it looks right now at halfway through the cook time. So I'm just going to flip them over so my other side can get just as golden as that other one. So make sure you're checking your chicken, guys, and flipping it and just making sure it's going to be thoroughly cooked. And you know it's done when the internal temperature reaches to 165 degrees. So depending on how thick your chicken breast is, guys, make sure you do put a thermometer and check for doneness. All right, everyone, so now we're going to put this on for another 15 minutes so it can cook again since we flipped our chicken. All right, everybody, so my chicken breast is completed. It took about 35 minutes total for cooking. Make sure you use a thermometer to check for doneness. And here you have it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I did go ahead and pair this along with some broccoli to complete my meal. And don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.